Dontay. Dontay. Don't know Dontay, man. I'm talking about Mavado's son, people. Dontay Brooks. Dontay, no, brother. No. No. I was riding with you before, Dontay, but Dontay, no, bro. No. No. You just come out. You know, you missed that by the skin of your teeth just now. Our. Eh? Is what? Dontay. Dontay, a whole heap of people in a Jamaica don't have a daddy. Dontay, the amount of something where you just put Mavado through, you see? Your father through. Mavado love you. The world can't see say him love you. The amount of sitting you just put your daddy through where your daddy they have to go through. To solidify the thing say, boy, good lawyer pay up and case get fight and him son can walk back road again. A life sentence them did give you, Dontay. Dontay, you forget. Blood fire. Somebody sent this to me this morning. I think it was Jerome. Jerome says, SouFLo, Dontay is in police custody in Jamaica again. I said, this must be a joke. I said, what? So I had to go look it up. I'm waiting. 13 hours ago, the Jamaica Gleaner posted this right here, so. And then there's an update to it, and I'm going to tell you what the update says also. 13 hours ago, the Jamaica Gleaner says, Dontay Brooks, the son of Mavado, he was charged yesterday with assault at common law, unlawful wounding, possession of a prohibited weapon, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a scheduled offense. Possession of a prohibited weapon, Dontay. Dontay, they are writing the narrative, Dontay. Dontay, you must remember what them did do to Spragga Ben's son. And Spragga Ben's son never carry no gun for as far as we know or nothing. Carla, I think, was a little youth them time there. But them they have something against him father. Dontay, they are setting the narrative for you, brother. They are setting the trap for you, bro. And it look like you're going to walk right into the trap. Dontay, you see what going on in Jamaica right now? You're not bulletproof, you know? You are not bulletproof. I tell my audience all the time, say me make sure say me did go join one of the gang them where the biggest gang bout. Me join the gang where all other gangs run from when time that the gang they show up. So if a gangster you want be, I should have one of them the gang that you did join. Because the other gang them or the other anything where you do outside of that is going to lead to your death. Jail, prison, you look like you're not afraid of it. It look like it's not a deterrent to you. You did just get let out, bro. You shouldn't in a nothing. You know, say Dontay, if I did me and them just let me out, me would have in a house all now. It's like my father would have to come from foreign, fly down. And when Mavado reach a Jamaica the other day, me would have just come out of the house. But me know, right? You're bad like that. They are road like that. Dontay, they are setting a narrative for you. You see one time them dirt your youth, me not speak no death over you. I'm speaking life over you. But I'm telling you for them plan. The plan is anytime them corner you see, Dontay, you're going to be just like one of the others. He got into a shootout. We went to an area responding to a call. And when we got there, we were fired up on. We returned fire. And when the firing subsided, 2 individuals were found riddled with bullets. And one of them so happens to be you. The Gleaner said Dontay was charged yesterday with assault at common law, unlawful wounding, possession of a prohibited weapon, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a scheduled offense. All my law people, get in the comment section. Me are going to the law book, them go look up each one of them here down to the T to see what these charges actually mean in layman terms and what type of time them carry. I can't gun them catch you with again. Dontay, please, or I shouldn't say again because me don't know nothing about them catch you with gun before. I can't gun you gonna make them catch you with after the charges where you just come off of. Do you not know, Dante, that they changed the gun laws in Jamaica in 15 years and more them a give people? So you want to tell me say you would have beat a gun, you would have beat a murder charge and come back come catch a gun charge now, Dante? Lord God. Sources close to the investigation told the Gleaner, according to the Gleaner, that Dontay Brooks is also being investigated for another firearms-related crime. Jesus Christ. Dante, go sit down, man. Go sit down, bro. Brother. Do you know how much I want to see Dontay Brooks win? You know, say, when time Vybz Kartel did their prisoner, you know how much people used to talk about, oh yeah, Vybz Kartel, groupie and all this, because I always speak good over his children. I'm always a brag. And I say, yeah, and the man there, prison and him a do a life sentence and him youth them still a flourish. Look upon them. And big up them mother Shorty and big up Kartel still, because even though him there behind bars, him youth them still a flourish in a way where tell me say, you know what I'm saying? He means something in them life. Dante, we want the same thing for you. We want the same thing for you. Kartel youth them take up music. You can't go take up sitting to man. Eh? It can't be every time they call your name is a lie. It can't be, Dante. Because if every time them call my name and is a lie, me take for myself to where I'm not even seen anymore. They would have to be wondering where I'm at. Me would have been inside so much that me would have started take on the color of the inside of the walls of the house, Dante. You can't make money from inside of your house now at different times now. You don't have to go out the door. Dontay Mavado's son charged with some serious offenses, according to the Jamaica Gleaner. And it also says that Dontay is also being investigated for another firearms-related crime. Why? It's like you have a death wish youth, or you have a self-destructive streak. Dontay, you know, say, Dontay, people like Dontay Brooks, right? People like Mavado's son. Go open a car dealership, bro. If you say music is not yours, you know, say if Dontay pick up music right now just because of who him father is, and him go do a tune with him father, like how you see Kartel son them do music with them father and the music shot, at same way Dontay could have do and do music with him father. Him father is a legend in our music, reggae dancehall music. Your daddy is Mavado. Your daddy is Gully God. Your daddy go through the fight already and come set it for you, and then you there a farm fool and friggery. Me don't know if your father tell you them things there, or if it is a case of woe is me. You see, my years in the military taught me this, right? It can't be woe is me all the time. It can't be everybody else wrong all the time. It can't be everybody is always picking on me and plotting for me all the time. Somewhere in there, something will have something to do with you. Dontay, you have to go do better, bro. Go open one car dealership, man. Go open a car dealership. Go open 5 different stores. Because you can't afford it. Your daddy can't use him money and him links and whatever, and you open up. If Dontay open a car dealership right now in Jamaica and start dealing a specific type of car, luxury high-end cars, start shipping those into the country, or just regular rotted car, and have a progressive, productive business going, Dontay name a call upon gun. Dontay name a call upon murder. Why? Why? Them are set out for you, bro. Let me tell you. You see, anytime you see it start look so, the narrative never read good. And guess what gonna happen now? The people of Jamaica are gonna say, well, nothing we could have done. The police them justified. Because you give them reason for kill your youth. You give them reason for kill you. I only take a one jumpy police, you know. For say a long time, me want to slap out you sitting and mash that out, you know. Dante don't know what a clock a strike. I think Dante the panda in the panda go there. You know, a lot of people are gonna say, SouFlo, you always talk sense, you know, but this time I hear you talk about rehabilitation and counseling and them thing there. Dante probably needs some counseling. Yeah, Dante probably needs some counseling. I remember one time Vybz Kartel came out and Vybz Kartel was doing his interviews and he was talking about the youth them when see in there in a prison and how them some of them in there look like them space out, some of them like them will lose them mind in there and these kind of things. And him say him see Dante in there. And I remember how Kartel start cry, tear up, right? And him hold it. But you could have say I cried, the G did I go cry. And I said, damn, I wonder what kind of condition he saw Dante in there. You know what I mean? I don't know, maybe him frustrated in there. Maybe him himself in there look like him a losing mind in there. You know, maybe Kartel just feel like, damn, I left but I couldn't take him with me kind of thing. And for him son and my son, them a good brethren and look for my son, them free and I do things with them life and to see him. Knowing that he have the same type of opportunities, but I just saw him park up, it hurt to see. Dante shouldn't be there, so Dante shouldn't be doing anything for anybody to even call his name. I would be walking in such a straight line after me just come out from that life sentence there. I would make the people who sentenced me to life actually turn around and say, no man, it's a good youth this. Look at all the progress he's making. We must have made a mistake. Dante, you out here and make the people them say, you know, so we make a mistake and let him out. But watch this, long run, short catch, cause a youth we can't stay out of trouble. He might go end up back in here. Dante probably needs some counseling. Mavado! Me know you plan your big concert, your big back in the place, something Gully God is back again down a plantation cove, whole heap away up here, a plan for in the place of Jamaica come see you and all these things and you know what I say. But try save Dante, bro. Dante needs some counseling from somebody who is qualified to talk some sense in a Dante. Dante don't need no spliff talk. He don't need no puff ganja talk and drink a special and chat to him. And a real life me deal with the youth, you know, and reason with them in a bro. No, Dante need one whole different mind switch round kind of conversation. Cause he might figure come off it. He might figure come off it. Them thief Mavado money. Millions and millions of dollars. They would love to see all the other stuff happen like him picking them go down. So them can say, yes, see that? You know? I bet say if anything happened to Dante, you're going to hear say Mavado sacrifice him for fame. Or all kind of foolishness and friggery. When honestly, if you look upon it, it just look like say Dante love the badness. And I hope it's not that. The current charges stem from an incident in Cassava Peace, St. Andrew, in the vicinity of Gaza on July 12th, about 9:30 p.m. July 12th, about 9:30 p.m. the current charges. July, we're in October. So July 12th this happened. And you have the rest of July, then you have August and September, and then they now arresting him in October, charging him rather in October. July 12th, an incident stemmed from July 12th. Dante was released on March 7th. So March, April, May, June, and by July you're in a trouble again. No, Dante. Don't do it, brother. Don't do it. The current charges stem from an incident in Cassava Peace, St. Andrew, in the vicinity of Gaza on July 12th, about 9:30 p.m. That means you're out on road at night time. Unless them a tell lie upon you. And it wasn't me, like Shaggy said. Dontay, you can't go up on the mansion and go stay. You can't go up on Mavado mansion and go isolate yourself like when name they will just put out the album. Like Chronics. You can't go isolate yourself for a while. Go turn away from people. Make sure your father is not telling you so you can't stay up there. Is what up there too nice and too boring? Cause brother, if I did my daddy mansion that me would have up there do streaming. Me would have do TikTok by the pool. TikTok in this here room and that the room of the mansion. When them see me downstairs and upstairs and them have two bad girls come in there. Me talk about decent girls, No, no Tegereg we are going to bring gunman come show them say, yes, so we live. You understand? That's some uptown girl you feature. In a that they sitting there for them parents have similar to what my parents have. Dontay, you need a change of mind, man. You need a change of mind. Unless all this is just a lie. People, you know what? Dontay was released not too long ago, right? Him come out March. And I remember somebody came on our live in the morning and said, oh, Mavado's son love it badness. Him back in a trouble again already. But you don't soon hear about it. And I said on that live in the morning, where you hear that from? Did you get it from a reputable source? Because you know me do my thing already, right? And the person said, me know you do your thing SouFlo, but me not say nothing. Me just have put that out there, but you will soon hear about it. And I thought, nah, they were just saying that because people get online and them just talk and say all kind of something about people and them not have no proof, right? I'm the kind of person that like to have proof. Like, when Jerome said, yo, SouFlo, Dontay back in police custody and him get charged, go look it up. Me I said, Jerome, know how me do my thing, Me not do this blog site said and that blog site said. You see, if it not come straight out of Jamaica from the Jamaica Constabulary Force, or it not come on TVJ, CVM, or one reputable station or something, somebody else can take that news and run with it before me. That's cool. I would rather do that and be late with it than to actually jump out the gate and then, people are say, brother, what a way you anxious? You're not even check to see if a true story. It's fake. It's not a real story. It didn't happen. Because you don't want to look like you're excited to see bad things happen to your people. Dontay, you're walking in the narrative, bro, and it don't look good where this is going. They went on to finish up the article by saying Dontay Brooks was freed in March of 2025 after the Court of Appeals overturned his 2021 conviction for the murder of Lorenzo Thomas. And his co-accused, Andre Hines, were also freed. Prosecutors had led evidence that Brooks, which is Dontay, and Hines, they were among 5 men who entered a house and shot Thomas before pushing his father into another room. The killing took place in Cassava Peace on June 5th of 2018. Mavado, whose real name is David Brooks, Mavado just returned to Jamaica last week after 7 years away from the island, while there was also a warrant that was out for his arrest according to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. You know how that go already. Mavado landing at the place, him go see the right people them, make him connections, they deal with law enforcement, they put a report out saying everything is settled, him not have to worry about no warrant again, and then boom, now the date has been set for Mavado's big return, his big concert. And while your father is planning this big return, here you go. Dontay Brooks, son of dancehall icon Mavado, back in police custody again, arrested and charged with serious offenses. He has been charged with assault at common law, unlawful wounding, possession of a prohibited weapon, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a scheduled offense. Dontay, go sit down, man. I'm not saying it in no way where disrespectful, bro, like, go sit down like you're picnic, because you're not picnic no more, no. You're not picking no more. May I say it in a way like you're my little brother. Go sit down, bro. Meaning go sit down and find something else to do, Dontay. Find something productive and progressive to do before them kill you off down there. Because then we gladly dirty, you know. And what your father gonna do? Have big funeral and then what? Come on, man. You can build a legacy, man. You have what a lot of Jamaican youths don't have. You have a dad. You have a father that loves you very much, that obviously is willing to go to hell and back for you. You have that. A whole heap of youth me know when I have that. And watch how your life sweet now. You have a daddy who have fame and riches. Your daddy. I'm not counting your dad's pockets, but I'm pretty sure Mavado have more money than the average Jamaican has. So you have a daddy where we're willing to go to hell and back for you, and him have money. You have to go do something with yourself, bro. Do something with yourself, man. Improve on your father's legacy. Make people look up a few years from now and say, yo, Mavado's son own over there, so you know. Yeah, and you see that business there? Dontay Brooks own a business there. Who's Dontay Brooks? You know Mavado? Anyway, I'm so special. Yeah, Mavado the singer. Yeah, a theme son. Oh, the little youth who did go to prison when them did get life sentence. Yeah, man, that brother, him way above that now. Him a do that, the business there, and him do this and him do that. Come on, Dontay, man. Pull up, man. Pull up. I'm highly disappointed. Ain't gonna lie. I am highly disappointed. Me know some people are coming in the comment section and come talk about, I'm not disappointed. Me did tell you already, say, I saw him turn and this will go happen and you will see again. You're proving them right. One thing I remember Vybz Kartel said, right? Kartel said when him be in a prison, one of the things that would drive him to come out of that is knowing that there were a lot of people out here that was saying, him a go dead in there. In them fitana and dead. Lock him up and throw away the key. And Kartel said, I'm not making my haters be right. So when you are talking about me a dead in them, me know me a come out. Dontay, you're going to have to do that. Because there are a lot of people out here who are saying you're going to be dead in these streets. Them said the killy police them at Jamaica is just a matter of time. Whether them kill you and plant gun upon you or them actually kill you with a gun upon you, them a go dirt you eventually. And then when them do it, these people are going to say, I told you. Don't let them be right, bro. Do not make them be right. Somebody forward that video you send it, go get Dontay for me. I'm out. Peace. Hey, my SouFLoTV audience. Listen, one of the things that I'm super proud of being able to accomplish or have accomplished is being a homeowner. I want to share the same with you. I hope you got your pen and paper, or I hope you put it into your phones or whatever. Get those numbers down, get the date down, and be there at that event. This is real help that I'm sending you, real help that will help you to become a homeowner as well. Are you looking to buy your first home, but you have a lot of questions on the process? Or are you just not sure if you're ready or where to even start? Then join us for an exclusive first-time homebuyers seminar on November 8th, 2025 from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. at the Tamarack Recreation Center located at 7501 North University Drive in Tamarack, Florida, 33321. Come, learn everything you need to know about buying your first home, from navigating the market to securing financing and down payment assistance. Don't miss this opportunity to take the first step towards home ownership. Call or text Realtor Faith at 954-696-5108 for more information on how to register. And hey, we will see you there on November 8th at 1 p.m. I didn't think I had enough money to do it. I wasn't sure if I should do it. I didn't even know where to start. And then when I did start, the process was so daunting. But I had real help to help me navigate the process and help me to get help. And then the ending was so beautiful. Opening that door and stepping into your own space. You can do it too. Use the information in this video and get yourself there. Back to our scheduled program at hand.